I want to learn English. I want to become fluent. I want to speak English fluently without pause, without hesitation, without nervousness, without any fear of mistake. But all the time I'm bombarded with all the questions, with so many questions like what to do? How is it possible? How is it possible with a person who doesn't have any partner, who doesn't have any teacher, who doesn't have any environment? So how is it possible? And all the time, whenever I start feeling like I will learn, I will start, I always end up with all these questions. How is it possible? And then I feel nervous and I feel disheartened that yes, it's not possible. I really end up with thinking that it's not possible for the person like me. Guys, if this is your condition, then this video is for you only, because this is the same condition was with me when I was the beginner. Not before a long time, just before 1 month, I was also like you. I was also thinking that how to get the fluency. If you see my first video where I started my day one speaking, I was like same like you. I was bombarded with all these questions, but I didn't stop. I didn't ended up like how to do. I ended up now to do. Now I'll do it at any cost. No matter what I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. And now the result is in front of you. Every time we start, we think we shouldn't end up that thinking that how is it possible. Say confidently that I will do it possible. I'll make it possible, because everything in this world is possible. Nothing in this world is impossible. If the person like me having Hindi environment, having no partner, if the person like me can do it, then it can also be possible for you also. Not it can be possible, it will be possible, but one the thing is needed that you should decide. You have to decide today only that I will do it. And once you decide that I'll do it, everything start working for you. First, the need is to take the decision. Taking decision with determination is half done. It means when you decide wholeheartedly and with determination that I'll do it, then half percent journey is done. Only half percent journey is left. So complete your half journey with the decision, with the only decision that I'll do it at any cost. No matter what, I'll do it. So let's begin today without any wasting the time, without thinking more about the impossible things. Just try to do it possible, right? So without wasting the time, let's get started. So here we go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So today I'm here with the complete package, complete pattern, that how to learn, how to get fluency at home without partner, without teacher, without environment. If these things are not there, then what does it mean? You will not live your life, you will not fulfill your dreams, you will not get success. Lots of examples in this world are there. Though the people who didn't have, who used to live at road, now they are on the top of the world. These people didn't stop. So why do you stop? It's as simple as that. Just start up today with a determination. So here we go. Now, number one, what you have to do here at one point. Let me tell you one thing, that the points, 4 points I'm telling you, they all points are interlinked. At one point you have to do one thing, then next thing, then next thing, then next thing. These all three patterns are interlinked, and you all are supposed to do it, to follow it wholeheartedly with the pattern I'm going to tell, right? So the first pattern is, let's start with the simplest pattern of learning English and getting fluency, is reading. Yes, reading. Now you might be surprising that reading is so simple. How reading will improve our English? Everyone can read, but everyone can't speak. Yes, that's true. I know, but if you do the simple thing systematically, it produces wonderful results. Simple things, powerful result. So start with the basic reading. If you are the beginner from the zero, you don't know how to do. If you are at the middle level where you know how to read, and how to write, then also start from this. This reading is not only for the people who are at the point of zero, the middle people also who know a little bit English, they should also start from this point, from reading. This pattern I'm telling today, this pattern is for all the types of learners, not only the beginners, the medium, the average. Every learner is supposed to be learned here. So start with reading. Now you might be thinking that how is it possible to improve your English with reading? Reading is so simple, anyone can read. Yes, I know, that's true. That is the point. It is the simple but the best starting for the speaking. You know reading, but you don't know the benefits of it, the advantages of reading. First, it improves when we read automatically, unknowingly, we expose ourselves to the language. Whatever is needed to learn a language, reading gives everything. Reading gives language pattern. Reading gives vocabulary. Reading gives sentence structure. Reading gives language pattern. Reading gives speed. Reading gives pronunciation. Yes, you might be surprising that all these things are mastered with just reading. When we read, we come across a lot of words, vocabulary. We come across, we read lots of sentence structure. We read lots of phrases, idioms. We read questions and answers. Sorry. We read present and past. We read active and passive. We read negative and interrogative. We read all these things, and only by reading these things, tenses, active, passive, direct, indirect, interrogative, simple, negative, imperative, all these patterns, when we read, they get set in our mind. It's a power of practice. Now Before watching this video, you used to think that reading is so simple. It doesn't give much thing, many things. That is given by reading. Whatever I have told, all these things get structured in our mind just by reading. Because a child learns the language only by listening. When a child gets into the school, he read. The teacher used to read and he speaks after the teacher. He cram, he read, he mugging up the language. He learns the reading fast because reading is simple, and reading is the simple but the best way to improve the language. I know guys, it might be, you might be thinking that it's boring. Yes, it's boring. I accept the fact. It's 100% true that reading is boring. It's not interesting. I used to feel the same. When I started reading, I used to feel the same. I used to feel sleepy. So what? If you are feeling sleepy, just sleep for 5 or 10 minutes. So simple. After sleeping, get up and read again. Because you don't have to work much. You don't have to work hard on reading. But fruitful results are being achieved. Right? Now the next point is, after reading, a little bit language is there in your mind by reading. In at initial stage, I'm talking about the initial stage. Later, gradually you will improve, you will get fluency. I'm just talking about the initial stage. When you will read, start writing. Yes, you heard it right. Now you might be thinking, I'm telling the simple things, but language starts with these simple things. If these simple things don't matter, then why at school only these things are used to these things are to be practiced? Because they are the foundation of language. Start writing. Read one page wholeheartedly, deeply, with concentration, knowing the meaning, the phrases, the meaning of the page. Then that page will set in your mind. Then start reading. Start reading the stories. Then those stories are to practice. Then write those stories. First read, then write. Now when you will write, the structure which you were reading, they will be implemented at the time of writing. You will come to know how to write, how to make sentences, because structure is there in your mind by reading. Now the time is to implement all those things. You will come to know how to write present, how to write past, how to write interrogative, negative, imperative, uh, direct, indirect, present, past, future. All these things will get set in your mind by 100% at the time of writing. Something done by reading, then something was left that was done at the time of writing. Writing will give you, won't believe that writing is such a wonderful weapon that will give you fluency in English. You can't speak until you know the structure, until you know how to write, how to make sentences. making sentences, making a sentence formation, making sentence structure in different ways will improve your English secretly. Right? Now, the next point, that is reading fast, then writing, then speak. Whatever you have read that was set in your mind, then you wrote all these things. Now the time is to speak all these things. Read one story, write that story, then speak that story. You will wonder to see the result, extraordinary result. I, you won't believe. Believe or not, believe it or not, but it will secretly improve your English and gradually you will become the master. This is complete package. I'm not here all the videos on YouTube. It's always told you that you have to speak, but to speak something should be there in your mind. When something will be there in your mind, when something will be at your tongue, then speaking will come out. This is basic to advanced level. Basic from reading to speak fluently. Speak all those things. Talk to yourself. In point number third, you have to speak yourself. Whatever you have read, whatever you have written. Now the turn is to speak. It will be easier for you because the thing have set in your mind twice, one at the time of reading, another at the time of writing. Now the third step is to be taken, that to be spoken. Speak as much, write one thing lots of times, read one story multiple times, write that one story multiple times, then speak that one story multiple times. It will automatically, naturally, originally will improve you. You will feel confidence when something is read and something is written. Now you are confident because the speakers, you see the motivational speakers, they read to prepare their content. When they are to write the content, first they read lots of times, then they write their content, then they are on the stage to speak. This is the perfect process to speak fluently. Then to improve in a better way, the fourth point is, now let the cat out of the bag. Now the turn is to record yourself. Because when you will speak, your concentration will only be on your speaking. Because in the beginning, when we are the beginner, what we do, whenever we are speaking, we are so much conscious, and our consciousness, our concentration is only on our speaking. So we ignore rest of the part. So those, the parts which are ignored at the time of speaking, they will be catched, they will be captured at the time of recording. When you will speak and you will record, you will ignore lots of time, lots of the things, but those lots of the things, when you will listen your recording, when, listen carefully, when you will listen your recording, the ignorant part will be revealed, and the mistakes which you have made, they will come into exist, and you will come to know about your mistakes. And once you come to know about your mistakes, then you can rectify those mistakes, and you will definitely, after removing those mistakes, you will improve gradually, naturally. This is a complete process of learning and getting English fluent, fluently. Simple, but the best way to learn English from zero to hero, from basic to advanced, from beginning to a fluent speaker. Because here in this video, I have told how to start from the basic and everything. If the building is strong, but the base is not strong, that building will no longer stand for a long time. But once the foundation is strong, but the building is not much strong, it will be strong because the base is strong. Until the base is strong, until the base is weak, you can't have a strong building. Once the base is strong, you can building first one floor, then second floor, then third floor, whatever the buildings, whatever the number is going on, you can improve, you can build up your building. But first, build the foundation is strong. And this video here, the reading, the writing, the speaking and recording and improving from your recording, this is the basic in the foundation of English. So build a strong foundation, because in lots of the videos, all the people are requesting you that speak that much, speak that much, speak like this, speak like that, speak routine, speak that. I don't say that those things are wrong. They are right, they are correct, but they don't give you the foundation. When you will be able to speak, when you know the sentence structure, when your vocabulary is strong, you can speak without vocabulary, without grammar, I know. But a strong foundation is built with vocabulary, with grammar, with confidence. And grammar and vocabulary will automatically be improved only by reading and writing. Right? So this was all about this video. This video is not only a video. This video is gonna be the game changer in your life, in the journey of speaking, but if it is followed the way I have told. So before ending up my video, let me ask you to please like, share and subscribe the channel so that I can get encouragement and to make more such videos, and I also improve like the way I want to improve. Because with me, I am improving day by day, I know, but I don't want to improve alone. I want lots of the people to be improved with me. So join my journey. If you want to know, to learn and to improve like me, join my journey. We all will learn together, we all will get fluency together, right? So let's get ended. Not only our journey, the video. So catch you in the next video, and yes, comment if you want to learn anything, just do comment. I would love to have your to receive your comments, as it I feel really happy to see the comments, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.